स्टूडेंट्स, मैं गुनेश्वर कोलिटा आपको मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल गुनेश्वर कोलिटा ट्यूटोरियल पे स्वागत करता हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैंने सिनोनिम्स पार्ट 2 डिस्कस करने जा रहा। स्टूडेंट्स, आप मेरा इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिएगा बिना स्किप किए हुए, और इनके बाद लाइक शेयर कीजिएगा, और यदि सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिएगा चैनल को। स्टूडेंट्स, अभी मैं शुरू करता हूँ। सिनोनिम्स पार्ट 2, जेलस, एनवियस, jeopardize, endanger, imperil, joy, delight, jump, leap, jubilation, exultation, triumph, journey, travel, voyage, just, fair, neutral, kill, murder, kind, benevolent, keen, sharp, piercing, knack, talent, aptitude, knowledge, wisdom, learning, look, see, observe, labor, work, struggle, literal, generous, sympathetic, lie, falsehood, liberal, generous, sympathetic, long, elongated, lousy, awful, lament, grief, sorrow, lapse, decline, fall, legitimate, legal, lawful, mistake, error, miserly, stingy, malice, illness, sickness, mad, insane, rapid, mandatory, obligatory, compulsory, mania, craze, fixation, massacre, slaughter, murder, kill, manifestation, show, exhibition, meek, gentle, docile, meticulous, scrupulous, exacting, might, tell, story, folklore, mystery, miracle, wonderful, malady, illness, disease, measure, niggard, close-fisted, mourn, lament, to grieve, mutiny, rebellion, revolution, nasty, dirty, shabby, notable, noted, famous, need, necessity, want, noise, sound, voice, nice, decent, nature, character, naive, innocent, childlike, absence, incident, vulgar, obsession, preoccupation, fixation, obstinate, stubborn, inflexible, observe, look, watch, opposite, adverse, contrary, oral, verbal, spoken, obvious, clear, evident, odd, strange, peculiar, obtain, get, secure, obsolete, outdated, out of fashion, obstacle, bar, hindrance, opportunity, chance, advantage, option, choice, preference, offend, affront, incense, offense, crime, misdeed, oppress, suppress, repress, pain, agony, pause, break, pact, agreement, treaty, panorama, spectacle, overview, paramount, predominant, outstanding, pardon, excuse, forgive, permit, allow, prevail, triumph, to influence, prejudice, bias, dislike, provoke, annoy, irritate, prescribe, bar, banish, proficient, well up, prohibit, forbid, hinder, proprietor, owner, prey, victim, price, value, worth, pursue, read, perplexing, puzzling, confusing, picturesque, beautiful, pretty, prompt, pomp, ceremony, display, quake, quiver, tremble, qualms, hesitation, doubt, quandary, dilemma, quash, nullify, invalidate, quit, leave, abandon, rare, uncommon, infrequent, ravage, devastate, ruin, realm, kingdom, rebellion, revolt, revolution, recollect, remember, recuperate, recover, improve, relate, tell, narrate, respect, regard, esteem, revenge, vengeance, retribution, robust, healthy, strong, rude, impolite, uncivil, replace, substitute, repress, suppress, regret, grief, safety, security, savage, barbarous, uncivil, scar, mark, blemish, scold, rebuke, reproof, secret, hidden, private, sense, meaning, severe, stern, strict, shrewd, astute, sharp, slaughter, butcher, slay, solemn, serious, grave, spectacular, magnificent, splendid, satisfied, unconvinced, subscribe, contribute, pay, sojourn, live, dwell, live, dwell, sure, certain, undoubted, show, display, exhibit. Shut, close, confine. Sound, noise, voice. Speak, talk, converse. Sustain, suffer. Settle, live, decide. Sacred, holy. Sympathy, pity. Tacit, implicit, implied. Tranquility, peace, calm. Turmoil, agitation, confusion. Tyranny, despotism, suppression. Transparent, clear, lucid. Trust, belief. Thankful, grateful. Truth, veracity, fidelity. Try, attempt. Throw, cast. Ultimate, final. Undergo, suffer, endure. Ugly, obscene, odd looking. Unique, unequal, incompatible. Valiant, brave, gallant. Vacation, holiday. Various, several, diverse. Vain, conceit, fruitless. Vulgar, coarse, indecent. Veritable, real, true. Wholesome, healthy. Wane, decrease, decay. Wish, will, desire. Wave, surrender. Weary, tired. Youthful, juvenile. Yearn, desire. Yearly, annual. Zest, interest. Zeal, enthusiasm. So students, आज इतना ही है. इसको अच्छा करके देखना, लर्न भी करना. थैंक यू.